Japanese cattle breeds, but these days most of it is one breed, Japanese black cattle, which are exactly what they sound like. And while the breed's roots are ancient, its meat was not always so shot through with fatty snowflakes. That is the result of a change in trade policy that occurred when I was in the 4th grade. 1991, the so-called Uruguay round of World Trade Organization negotiations. Japan finally agreed to allow imports of foreign beef. Japanese beef producers were rightly terrified that they were about to get muscled out of their own market. Muscled out, I see what you did there. I mean, Japan is not naturally suited to inexpensive beef production. The United States is, and huge swaths of it remain, to this day, very sparsely populated grasslands where legions of cattle can graze on endless free food. Japan doesn't have much land at all, and a lot of what they do have is rocks. The rest is rice and cities. So if Japanese farmers figured that
muscle out, muscle out, muscle out.